In last class, what we were talking was we were talking about lysosomes, right? We were talking about the endomembrane system. And then last class of Kunchini Koreasila, lysosomes or common information we have completed. So today we are going to continue lysosomes itself. So heading of lysosome continuation, যোনটো part লৈকে লিখিছা এইখিনি continue কৰিবা ঠিক আছে So today what we are going to discuss is the types or forms of lysosomes. So heading কৰা And whenever we talk about lysosomes, what are the things that we remember? That it is a cell organelle, it is a part of the endomembrane system. Next, membrane আছে নে নাই? Membranous or non-membranous? It's a membranous structure. It is also called as suicidal bag of the cell, bag of acids, etc., etc. Inside the lysosome, কি থাকে? কিছুমান কি থাকে? Enzymes থাকে. And these enzymes become active only during acidic condition. These are the portions that we have completed in the last class. So forms of lysosomes are likha depending on the basis of morphology, comma, their contents and their function, lysosomes are of four types. Right? And what are the four types? One by one we'll discuss. First, let's draw a diagram. And then we'll discuss. Is the diagram clear? Can you see it properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Labeling আমি কৰিম অকমান লিখি লোৱা Okay, complete this diagram. Right? So we are talking about the different types of lysosome or forms of lysosome depending on their features like morphology, function, what is the content. Lysosomes are of 4 types, and in the diagram we can see 3 of them, right? We see primary lysosomes, secondary lysosomes, and tertiary lysosomes. Tertiary lysosomes are also called as residual bodies, right? Now we are drawing a rough diagram of a cell. Cell to ki thakibo? Sac-like organelles, that is what is called as a lysosome, right? So the first form lysosome, Pune form korbo, obviously the Golgi bodies, right? This is the part that we have already completed. So the first form lysosome that will form from the Golgi body will act as a primary lysosome. Next, in the cell, that are processed this one process. For example, I think you understand all these terms. Phagocytosis, exocytosis, a terms will have jano na jano. I think we have discussed cell eating and then cell vomiting, or intake of a cell and or substances going out of the cell, etc., etc. Right? So ultimately, cell to because of phagocytosis, food particles of phagosomes, they are called as primary lysosomes. Since they have the enzymes and they have to digest this food, right? The new food particle that has come inside the cell. So combine at a structure form and that is what is called as secondary lysosome. Phagosome to phagosome to primary lysosome to attach to and the structure that they form is called as the secondary lysosome. Secondary lysosome of ki hobo, digestive process to hobo, and ultimately the useful substance will all come out to the cytoplasm or it will be absorbed by the cytoplasm. What remains behind is the undigested or the residual or the waste product, right? So ki korile yar enzymes kini yak digest korile jikini important bostu obviously absorbed by the cell jinkini residue it stayed back in this, right? This residue, right, what they form is or the cell organelle or that structure that contains the residue that was called as residual body, or it will act as a tertiary lysosome. Tertiary lysosomes will be killed by the process of exocytosis, it will come out of the cell. So ultimately, what is the lysosome doing? It is cleaning up the cell. Jimandur waste products thakibo no, cell letter waste product ki koribo. Gutei lysosomes bilake cell ulai dibo. Is the diagram understood?
Ma'am, এটা বস্তুটা বুজাই দিয়কচোন, এইটো যে এক্সোসাইটোসিস পৰা বস্তুবোৰ ওলাইছে এইবোৰ ইউজফুল সাবস্টেন্স হয় নে ওয়েস্টেজ হয় এইবোৰ?
No, waste. Useful substance to cell to absorb হৈ যাব no? Waste products বোৰ ওলাই যাব. So যোনটো body waste products বিলাক ওলাই দিলে সেই body to it act as a tertiary lysosome. Tertiary lysosome contains what? All the waste product or that is not required in the cell. So যদি it's not required, তেতিয়াহলে কি হ'ব? Cell to পৰা ওলাই যাব or it will get dissolved, right? So চেলটোৰ পৰা ওলাই যোৱা প্ৰচেছটোক আমি কি ক'ম এক্সোসাইটোসিস এক্সোসাইটোসিস কিহৰ হয় যিমানবোৰ অলাগতিয়াল সাবষ্টেন্স আছে ইন দা সেল that has to be thrown out of the cell and that is what is called as exocytosis clear
Yes, ma'am.
now we are going to write certain points about primary secondary and tertiary or we are talking about the forms of lysosome etu jodi hol primary lysosome heading koriba I think we have already discussed about the function. No? What I said is, এটা cell সদায় waste products বিলাক তাৰ পৰা কি হয় help to make the cell clean or keep the cell clean. Lysosomes বিলাকৰ এটা বিৰাট important function কি হ'ল cell to clean কৰি ৰাখে, residues of the free কৰি ৰাখে. But I think you remember we have talked about two types of cells where কি হয় যে ৰেচিডিউজ বিলাক ডিপজিট হৈ যায় এইটো ডায়াগ্ৰামত যেনেকৈ আমি দেখিছো ৰেচিডিউজ বা আনৱান্টেড সাবষ্টেন্স বিলাক সেলৰ পৰা ওলাই আহিলে ওলাই অহাৰ লগে লগে কি হ'ব the cell will remain fresh right or it will remain young but I think we have discussed about two specific cells where the residues or the waste products or the unwanted products instead of coming out of the cell gets deposited in the cell and ultimately it leads to aging of the cell কৈছিলো নে নাই
Yes.
এনেকুৱা দুটা সেল য'ত নেকি লাইসোসোমস নাই এন্ড প্লাস তোমাৰ কি হয় এই প্ৰডাক্টস বিলাক ওলাই নাহে ডিপজিট হৈ যায় কোনকিটা আছিলে সেল
Muscle.
muscle cells and liver cells I think we have said about it right so maximum cells of a process to only goes to cells where everything will get deposited so next primary lysosome heading kora So, the newly formed structure from the Golgi bodies or Golgi apparatus ji likha or Golgi apparatus boli kole you have to I think by now you have an idea about the Golgi body how does it look like it is a dash shaped structure key shape Golgi apparatus it is a dash shaped structure key shape asile C-shaped structure, right? Remember we have
Yes,
talked
ma'am.
about the concave
Cup-shaped.
side and the convex side, and we have also used certain words called as sys-phase or trans-phase.
Yes,
Monot
ma'am.
ase ne?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The question is, Golgi bodies e ki produce koribo? They will produce a lysosome. The question is, at which side? A lysosome will be produced from which side of the Golgi bodies, or which face of the Golgi bodies? কোনটো সাইডৰ পৰা সিসৰ পৰা ফৰ্ম কৰিব নে ট্ৰেন্স সাইডৰ পৰা ফৰ্ম কৰিব
Trans side.
obviously from the trend side because we are talking about formation of something our formation generally from the maturing side and the matured side is called as trend side in case of Golgi apparatus so primary lysosomes are the newly formed structure from the Golgi bodies at transphase second point it contains inactive enzymes alright enzymes bilake etialake etu kaam kora nai just enzymes bilak store he kori those and so we are using the word called as inactive enzymes these are the points about the primary lysosome talking about secondary lysosome, that likha also called as heterozygote. So, is this part of the board visible?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
It's not visible. Okay, 1 second. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
okay. Can I rub the diagram?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
These are কি লিখিছে?
Secondary lysosomes. These are secondary lysosomes containing undigested substance or substances. Right? They are passed outwardly outwards through exocytosis which is also called as FAG. আমি ডায়াগ্রামটো বেসিক্যালি যেখানে আঁকিছিলো, so we are just putting it in the form of points. So these are the points about primary lysosome, secondary lysosome, and tertiary lysosomes. Tertiary lysosomes are also called as residual bodies.
Ma'am, passed outwards মানে?
Out of the cell. Clear?
Tertiary lysosome তে ওলাই গুচি যায় নেকি?
Ha, tertiary lysosome too. Tertiary lysosome কি হয়? Nothing but secondary lysosome with undigested, right? Residue থাকা যোনটো lysosome, সেইটো যদি residue বিলাক আছে, তেতিয়াহলে at that time we are not using the word secondary, instead we are using the word tertiary. Secondary lysosome কি হয়? Primary plus that food, right? Food particle to আহিলে, primary to আহিলে, দুইটাই যোনটো নতুন structure form কৰে, তাক আমি secondary কৰো. Secondary কি হৈছে? Digestion process to হৈ আছে, বা enzymes বিলাকে কাম কৰি আছে। Enzymes বিলাকে কাম কৰি useful product বিলাক cellত use হৈ গ'ল. What left behind? all the unwanted products. So, juntu sac-like structured unwanted products present, that structure is referred to as tertiary rhizome, which is thrown out of the cell.
Okay, ma'am.
Is this over?
Yes, ma'am.
Point eta likha. As we have discussed, there are 4 forms of lysosome. We are writing 3 of them as of now. At a point likha. Inserting cells, the residual bodies do not discharge their contents. Instead, gets deposited বুলি লিখিব পাৰা বা loads would be a better word. Brings about cell aging or aging. Right? And which cells are we talking about? Muscle cells. Over? Next, the 4th type of lysosomes. Called as autophagic vacuoles. Autophagic মানে কি? Auto is self, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So, a type of lysosome that would each have its own dead organelles. Cell to thaka jimanbor dead organelles ase, it will just digest or dissolve kori dibo, and they are called as autophagic vacuoles. Now, how they are formed? They are formed by the union of many primary lysosomes around the dead organelle. Means what? If suppose we are talking about a cell, right? Cell of, let's take the example of mitochondria, right? So we know mitochondria, will be talking about semi-autonomous cell replicating, etc., etc. These are the points that we are going to study about mitochondria. As of now, mitochondria ki kore, one structure key form koribo, duta structure form koribo pare, and if suppose that work is over, ki hobo, it dissolve ho jabo. And if by case ba kiba karone jikono eta cell organelle, suppose it's dead. So if this is a cell and this is a dead mitochondria, তেতিয়া কি হ'ব? A dead portion to cell to পৰা নাইকিয়া কৰি দিব লাগিব, or it has to be thrown out, right? Because if this is the situation that's going to continue, then ultimately কি হ'ব? Cell would be a complete accumulation, or cell will have a complete accumulation of the dead substances. So all the dead organelles from, or the unwanted things from the cell have to be removed. So suppose mitochondria to কি হ'ল? Dead হৈ গ'ল. In that case, কি হ'ব? It dissolve কৰিব লাগিলে cell টোত থকা যিমানবোৰ primary lysosomes, no? These lysosomes will come and ultimately surround this dead organelle, and then they will start secreting their or giving their enzymes. Lysosomes bilak ahi pelai dead organelle in and around cover koribo, and enzymes bilakor di pelai ultimately ki koribo? They will dissolve this part. So this is what is called as eating up its own dead organelles. Is the point?
Yes, ma'am.
So these are the four forms of lysosomes: primary, secondary, tertiary, and autophasic. And because of this, cleaning mechanism of a cell, suicidal bag of a cell, etc., etc. These are the things that we use for them. Next, about the functions of lysosomes. So first is digestion, intracellular digestion or extracellular digestion. Obviously, we have been talking about this function before also. Second is they also play a major role in metamorphosis. Metamorphosis mane ki? What is metamorphosis?
Regeneration of part.
Regeneration of a part. No, lysosomes কেতিয়াও এটা part of regenerate কৰিবলৈ to help নকৰিব, no? He কি কৰে? এটা part নাইকিয়াহে কৰি দিয়ে। And it will be responsible for dissolving that part or eating up that part. They are not responsible for forming a part. Is the point clear? So regeneration, we cannot be using that word. Instead, if you're talking about metamorphosis, it is the change of shape. Eta form of unto formula shape. The change of that process is called as metamorphosis, and it will get explained or understood by this one transformation of eta tadpole ki hole transform frog etale, right? And when they are transforming tadpole to the frog hole transform hoise tahator ki thake tadpole tail edal thake na thake? Tadpole transforms into a frog. Tadpole always has a tail, but does a frog have a tail? Na sabo laibo bhalke swa nai. Ei tail dal kot gol? Tadpole je tail dal ki kore? Prothomote to asile frog to tail nai, to tail dal kole gol. So ultimately, a lysosomes bilake ki koribo? They are also responsible for dissolving that part which is no longer required, the tail part, right? Once they are converted to a frog. So this process, not tadpole into frog, example of metamorphosis. right? কিছুমান ধৰণৰ enzymes generate কৰে আৰু ultimately
মেম এইটো আকৌ এবাৰ বুজাই দিব নেকি মেম এই মেটামৰফোসিসটো
মেটামৰফোসিস মানে একদম আমি ডিটেইলছত নাযাওঁ হা মেটামৰফোসিস মানে এটা ফৰ্মৰ পৰা আনটো ফৰ্মলৈ ট্ৰান্সফৰ্ম কৰিবলৈ কৰা প্ৰচেছটোক আমি কি বুলি কওঁ মেটামৰফোসিস মৰ্ফোলজিক্যাল শেপটো এটা ফৰ্মৰ পৰা আনটো ফৰ্মলৈ চেঞ্জ হৈ গ'ল best example to explain is the transformation of a tadpole to a frog tadpole তাহাঁতৰ morphological structure to বেলেগ আছিলে frogৰ morphological structure to বেলেগ one major or striking difference is tadpole কি থাকে এডাল টেইল থাকে না থাকে
yes ma'am
right hey tadpole to ultimately as it matures কি হলে কনভার্ট হৈ যাব frog এটালে কনভার্ট হ'ব নহয় বা ট্ৰান্সফৰ্ম হ'ব নহয়
yes ma'am
যেতিয়া frog হলে ট্ৰান্সফৰ্ম হ'ব তেতিয়া tadpole সেই টেইলডাল কি হ'ব now no one will go and cut off the tail right naikya ho jay what is naikya ho jay someone has to dissolve it right so who dissolves this it is the enzyme that is present in the lysosomes tahator nijor cellot thaka lysosome at that time they will synthesize a secret set of enzymes which would be responsible for dissolving or obviously dissolving that part that is no longer required clear
yes ma'am
eta former পৰা আনটো ফৰ্মলৈ চেঞ্জ হ'ল তাক আমি কি কওঁ metamorphosis so in short what we can say lysosomes play a major role during metamorphosis এটা example আমি দিছো right next the third function read the line acrosome jano no the head part of the sperm
yes ma'am
right কি কৰিব লাগিব egg penetrate কৰিব লাগিলে egg membrane খন কি কৰিব লাগিব dissolve কৰিব লাগিব
yes
right
ma'am jona
so dissolve for, exactly and if it has to dissolve then obviously it's a dissolve of certain types of enzymes so a enzymes will have synthesize কৰিব lysosomes that is present in the cell so these are roughly the functions of a lysosome and with this we have completed the endomembrane system right endomembrane system what we remember there are certain cell organelles inside the cell which always work in a coordinated manner the organelles that forms the endomembrane system are endoplasmic reticulum golgi bodies lysosomes and vacuoles so these are the four things that we have discussed now let's discussing about some other cell organelles right like mitochondria chloroplast etc so the next thing that we are going to discuss is mitochondria so mitochondria heading koriba question jodi ahe do mitochondria belong to the endomembrane system yes or no
no ma'am
no they are no mitochondria part to jodi porisa I think you have heard a word called as semi autonomous cell organelle
yes ma'am
bisa niki okay So we'll be talking about all those parts now. It's over.
DNA আছে।
Exactly. These are DNA. তাহাতে নিজৰ কাম নিজে কৰিব পাৰে কিন্তু তথাপি they are dependent. Is this over?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So heading কৰিবা mitochondria. And starting ote আমি কি কৰিব লাগিব? We have to draw the diagram of mitochondria. Please draw it. Let's draw it in the middle. Mitochondria single membrane structure na double membrane structure?
Double membrane.
Double membrane.
Double membrane. Outer membrane continuous or discontinuous?
Outer to continuous.
And outer to continuous. Inner membrane discontinuous.
Discontinuous.
বিলাক কি হয় মই যোনবিলাক আঁকি আছি protrude কৰি পাইছে কি হয় এইবিলাক যে আঁকি আছো ডট ডট এইবিলাক কি হয় নো anyone remember the name
Ribosomes.
at present যোনখিনি মই আঁকি আছো
No.
নহয়
मैम इलेक्ट्रॉन कैरियर নেকি
ইলেক্ট্ৰন কেৰিয়াৰটো হয় নামটো
Ma'am, microtubules.
না remember something called as FOF1 particle
यस मैम
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
right so these are nothing but FOF1 particles এইবিলাকৰ থ্ৰুৰে কি হৈছিলে we have talked about it during respiration also ATP synthesis সময়ত আমি কথা পাতিছিলো remember the part of the proton the part of the electron ATPase code synthesize হয় ATP form কৰিব লাগিলে এটা specific enzyme লাগিব ন সেই enzymeটোৰ নাম কি ATPase কেতিয়া form কৰিব যেতিয়া hydrogen concentration কম বা বেছি তাহাঁতৰ gradient এটা হ'ব and next what we remember ATPase code synthesize কৰে in FOF1 particle and to be precise which part of FOF1 particle head নে tail obviously head so this round represents that FOF4 particle it will head to jot niki ATP synthesize koribo as a result inside the mitochondria কি form koribo ATP form koribo remember mitochondria ribosomes থাকিব নে নাথাকে
থাকিব ma'am.
what is the type of ribosomes first is mitochondria is a cell organelle that is found in all cells prokaryotic cell eukaryotic cells
Eukaryotic cell.
Eukaryotic cells.
it's only found in eukaryotic cells next In under eukaryotic cell or inside the mitochondria, obviously ribosomes would be present. Whenever we talk about ribosomes, we talk about two types of ribosomes, 70S or 80S ribosomes. What are the type of ribosomes in a prokaryotic cell and in a eukaryotic cell?
Prokaryotic 70S, eukaryotic 80S.
Prokaryotic 70S, eukaryotic 80S. Okay, broadly I mean but we also see the presence of 70S in a eukaryotic cell. Both
Yes, ma'am.
70S and 80S, depending on which cell organelle we are talking about. Right? So these are the informations about ribosomes that we have already studied, right? It is কথাটো হল mitochondria is a eukaryotic cell organelle, right? So তাৰ ভিতৰতো ribosomes থাকিব, protein synthesis হ'ব, কিন্তু ribosomes to কি type?
70S.
It is 70S. যেহেতু questionটো খুলিছো চোৱা, মই lysosomes আৰু ribosomes আছে নে, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies এইবিলাকৰ কথা একো সোধা নাছিলো, right? Ribosomes আছিলে, rough endoplasmic, smooth endoplasmic, right? Whenever the question is arising, then obviously there is something unique. Unique is the ribosomes of সদায় 70S mitochondria সদায় 70S ribosomes থাকে. Similar in case of another cell organelle, কোনটো? এটা cellৰ semi autonomous cell structure বুলি ক'লে কোনকেইটা organelle কয়?
Chloroplast.
Chloroplast and mitochondria, right? And they are also called as endosymbionts of bacteria. Okay, we'll discuss later. As of now, key ribosomes থাকিব তাহাঁতৰ তাত, they will have 70S ribosomes. Mitochondrial DNA, which is also called as MIT DNA. Some information. Single. It has double-stranded circular DNA. We see a high guanosine is to cytosine ratio বা content. Guanosine, cytosine এইবিলাক কি হয়? Nucleotides. Right? Important. Next, the inside of the mitochondria is called as what? কি বুলি কয়? Matrix. এই invaginations বিলাকক Christie, right? মই এতিয়া যোনখিনি লিখি আছো দেখা পাইছানে বোৰ্ডখন? Is this part visible?
Yes, ma'am.
এটা কাম কৰা
Ma'am, PMS to কি লিখিছে?
Perimitochondrial space. The space between the two membranes is called as perimitochondrial space. কিবা থাকিল নেকি? Yeah. Right? So mitochondria double membrane structure, right? They have marked the different parts. Double membrane, outer membrane, inner membrane. The space between the two membranes is called as 70. Sorry, it's called as perimitochondrial space. Ribosomes, different type of ribosome 70 is very important. Talking about the DNA, it has its own DNA, and that DNA is called as mitochondrial DNA. Information about mitochondrial DNA, right? Single. Next, if you're talking about the type, it is double-stranded circular DNA. Pay attention to this word that is called as circular. Circular DNA is something that you have studied before also. Give me an example of an organism having circular genetic material or circular DNA.
Bacteria.
Bacteria, very good. So, ইহঁতৰ কি আছে circular DNA and nucleotide ratio কথা জানিব লাগিব, not specific, খালি content to high থাকে. ইহঁত দুটা বেছিকে থাকে. Next is, if you are talking about the inside part, that is called as a matrix. Matrix of কি থাকিব? Various types of enzymes থাকিব for Krebs cycle. I think you remember Krebs cycle ক'ত হয়? Where does Krebs cycle take place?
Mitochondria.
Mitochondria বুলি ক'লেতো নহ'ব, কাৰণ তাত surfaceও আছে, matrixও আছে. Surface of mitochondria and matrix of mitochondria. Diagram to চালেও গম পাম নেকি? Enzymes বিলাক ক'ত আছে?
Matrix আছে.
Matrix ত আছে. তো mitochondria Krebs cycle ক'ত হ'ব? Matrix তে হ'ব. Right? Okay. Next is something very important about the enzyme. Question ahe, all the enzymes of Krebs cycle are presented. It is present in the matrix of mitochondria. Do you remember a specific enzyme related with Krebs cycle not present in the matrix? Ahoda question to you for there. Maki bilak to some matrix of থাকে. So matrix of nathaka eningko kuntu enzyme asile that is a part of the Krebs cycle. And the next question is, where is it located?
Ma'am, perimitochondrial space.
Perimitochondrial space, okay. Heavy to qua. Perimitochondrial space to actually proper নহয়. Enzyme to inner membrane of mitochondria the asile. So the answer would be perimitochondrial space would not be accepted, right? But which enzyme are we talking about? A very important enzyme about from Krebs cycle, succinic dehydrogenase, right? So he point to khoda marat rakhiba. Inner membrane of কি থাকিব আৰু এটা বস্তু এক্সপ্লেনেশ্যনৰ পৰা যতে ডিহাইড্ৰোজেনেজ এনজাইমটো থাকে সেই পাৰ্টটোতে বা সেই ৰিয়েকচনটোতে কিবা এটা সিনথেসাইজ হয় বা কিবা এটা প্ৰডাক্ট সিনথেসাইজ হয় কি আছিলে
NADH2.
NADH2 or FADH2 right reducing cofactor produce কৰিছিলে
Yes, ma'am.
so এইটো diagramটো complete কৰা then we have to write about informations about mitochondria Did you whole please tell me
মেম সাকসিনিক ডিহাইড্ৰোজেনেজ তো আপুনি স্পেশালি কিয় লিখিলে মানে বেছি ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট নেকি
কোনটো succinic dehydrogenase
হ মেম এটো ক্ৰেব সাইকেল
সেইটো কথা-
এনজাইমৰ মাজত
এইটো কথা ন respiration পাৰ্টটো মনত পেলোৱাচোন
মেম নহয় মেম এটো বেছি ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট নেকি মেম ক্ৰেব সাইকেল এনজাইমছতে তো পৰি যাব
তুমি কোৱাচোন অকমান মনত পেলোৱা Krebs cycle যিমানবোৰ enzymes related বা involved সেই গোটেই enzymes বিলাক ক'ত থাকে Krebs cycle য'ত হয় তাতে থাকিব এটা কথাটো হ'ল Krebs cycle ক'ত হয় এটা
মাইটোকন্ড্ৰিয়া
চেলৰ Krebs cycle ক'ত হয় মাইটোকন্ড্ৰিয়া এটা মাইটোকন্ড্ৰিয়া বুলি ক'লে তো তাক আমি দুভাগত ভাগ কৰিব পাৰো either we can talk about the membrane part of mitochondria or we can talk about the inside portion of mitochondria so you have to be precise Krebs cycle exactly ক'ত হয়
yes ma'am.
membrane হয় নে ভিতৰত হয় Krebs cycle occurs in
Ma'am, membrane
matrix of mitochondria membrane নহয় matrix of mitochondria হয় oxalic acid form কৰে oxaloacetic acid আহি সোমাই ঠিক আছে তাৰ পিছত Krebs cycle টো বা citric acid cycle টো বা tricarboxylic acid
Yes,
cycle
ma'am.
একেটাই বস্তু ন এটো ক'ত হ'ব matrixত হ'ব so যদি
Yes,
এটা
ma'am.
cycle matrixত হৈছে কিহৰ কাৰণে matrixত হৈছে কাৰণ enzymes গোটেইবোৰ matrixত আছে here
Yes, ma'am.
কিন্তু তথাপিও এটা specific enzyme that is not present in the matrix succinic dehydrogenase সেইকাৰণে এই বস্তুটো important so question আহে the enzyme of Krebs cycle not present in the matrix of mitochondria it is succinic dehydrogenase that is present in the inner membrane so present clear so এইটোৰ ওপৰত question আহে
Yes, ma'am.
হল নেকি সবৰে আকা
Yes, ma'am.
so we'll start writing points now okay লিখি যোৱা it is also called as also called as chondriosome or sarcosome or mitochondria নামবিলাক ইমান ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট নহয় কিন্তু কন্ড্ৰিওসোমটো জানিব লাগিব is discovered by Colliker, Collike. Sorry,
পিকচাৰটো অকণ ব্লাৰ আছে
Collic. ব্লাৰ হৈছে চোৱাচোন অকমান ৰৈ চোৱা
না আহিলে
ঠিকে আছে এতিয়া ব্লাৰ হৈ আছে নেকি
নো মেম এতিয়া ঠিক হ'ল
ওকে The name was given by Penda. কিন্তু টার্মটো কোনে দিছে সেইটোৰ ওপৰত জেনাৰেলি কোৱেশ্চন নাহে Name of the stain এইখিনি পইণ্ট হ'ল নেকি চোৱাচোন mitochondrial stain টোৰ নামটো লাগে it is Janus green and it is a type of vital stain ঠিক আছে talking about stains no
মেম ভাইটেল ষ্টেইন মানে কি হয়
সেইটো মই দি আছো Got the answer? So mitochondria, if you want to stain it, you have to use a vital stain, that is Janus bean. Stains divided in two parts, vital and non-vital. Living cells of stain কৰা stains বিলাক যিবিলাক এপ্লাই কৰো সেইবিলাকক আমি কি কৰো vital stain, আৰু যিবিলাক dead cells ত আমি use কৰো those are called as non-vital stain. Clear? Right? Next, we continue with the points of mitochondria. Vital or non-vital বুজি পালো নে নাই?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay, some more information. কাম কৰা এইখিনি হল নেকি?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, length to 1 আছিল ma'am.
Ma'am, diameter তলত কি লিখিছিলে?
Diameter তলত length 1.0 to 4.1 micromu.
1.02.
1.0 to 4.1 micromu.
Okay.
Okay? So number of mitochondria per cell. Okay, this part is not visible, no? No, is this part over?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
এইখিনি হল ন?
Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am, what আছিল ma'am number of mitochondria?
সেইকাৰণে লিখিছোৱে। এইটো লাইন লিখা নাছিলা ন?
নাই লিখা ma'am.
Ma'am. Ma'am, doubt class হ'ব নেকি আজি?
নহয়।
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, just to have an idea about the number of mitochondria per cell, so we have to remember the word. It varies with the activity of the cell. Kuntu cell of juntu cell ke basi energy lage tate ki thakbo, the number of mitochondria would be more. So ultimately we see highest in the flight muscles of the birds. Is this part of the board visible?
Yes.
Hmm?
Completely নহয়.
এইখিনি নহয় ন? এইখিনি মই যোনখিনি লিখি আছো সেইখিনি visible নে?
Yes, ma'am.
এই পোর্শনটা দেখিছান নাই?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
This part of the board?
Yes, ma'am.
So many informations about mitochondria. Can I rub this part? Number of mitochondria লিখা হল নেকি?
Absent part 2 হোৱা নাই মেম।
এইখিনি হৈ গল ন?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. দুটা টার্ম এছ'চিয়েটেড উইথ মাইটকণ্ড্ৰিয়া, এটা হ'ল কণ্ড্ৰিয়ম আৰু এটা হ'ল মাইটোপ্লাষ্ট। Is this part over? Absent in হৈ গ'ল ন?
Yes.
So some of the general points about mitochondria we have written. The next portion that we need to discuss is the parts of mitochondria, no? প্ৰত্যেকটো পাৰ্টৰ অকমান কিবা information. Some of the information we have already written as far as mitochondrial DNA is concerned, the enzymes present that is concerned, right? Krebs cycle of enzymes, সেইবিলাক আমি লিখিছো। কিন্তু তাৰ উপৰিও we need to write certain things more. So if this is over, parts of mitochondria will লিখিবা।
মেম
হা।
মেম মাইটোপ্লাষ্টটো সেইটো সিঙ্গল মেমব্ৰেন থাকিব ন তাতে?
Single membrane. কেতিয়াবা কি হয় mitochondria বিলাকৰ outer membrane খন due to certain reason it might get washed off. Right? বা ভাঙি যাব পাৰে। তেতিয়া that moment ন আমি যিহেতু দুখন membrane থাকিলেহে mitochondria আকৌ এখন membrane যদি থাকে তেতিয়াতো আমি mitochondria word to use কৰিব নোৱাৰো। So at that time we use the word called as mitoplast. Mitochondria without the outer membrane.
মেম
Hmm.
মেম এইটোতো মানে ইনিশিয়ালি নহয় ন? স্টার্টিং
নাই ইনিশিয়েল নহয়। নাই mitochondria থাকিব।
মেম মানে স্টার্টিংত যেতিয়া সেলটো ফর্ম হ'ব তেতিয়া ডাবল মেমব্ৰেন থাকিব মাইটোকন্ড্ৰিয়াটো।
Exactly. Due to some reasons, mitochondria যদি এখন membrane ভাঙি যায় বা dissolve হৈ যায়, সেই structureটোক আমি কি নাম দিম?
ওকে মেম।
মেম permeable point মানে 40% লিপিড সোমাব পাৰে নেকি?
No. Sorry. This is the third point. It has. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, inner member third point to ki লিখিছে?
Cardiolipin rich. Right? So at a particular type of lipid that is called as cardiolipin. Matrix of information মই already diagram খনতে দিছোৱে নেকি আৰু লিখিব লাগিব নেকি
দি দিয়ক মেম
Is this more visible মই যোনখিনি লিখিছো স্ক্ৰীনটো আহিছে নাই
মেম ইনাৰ মেম্বাৰৰ থাৰ্ড পইণ্টটো কৈ দিবচোন কাৰ্ডিঅ কি লিখা আছে
cardiolipin
Ma'am, matrix of fourth point inorganic molecule.
এটা clear
Yes.
okay
Hello, ma'am.
hmm
এটা কনফিউজন হৈছিল
Hmm.
মেম প্ৰকাৰিঅটছত যোনবিলাক ইনফোল্ডিংছ থাকে মেজোজোমছ
Hmm.
মাইটোকন্ড্ৰিয়েল ইনফোল্ডিংছ আছিল নে প্লাজমা মেমব্ৰেনৰ আছিলে মেম ইনফোল্ডিংছ কেইটা কিহৰ আছিলে মাইটোকন্ড্ৰিয়েল ইনফোল্ডিং নে প্লাজমা মেমব্ৰেনৰ মেজোজোমছ
prokaryote যদি mitochondrial enfoldings থাকিব লাগে mitochondria present হ'ব লাগিব mitochondria present আছিল জানো
yes ma'am
right so answer to pala no কিহৰ
ব্যাকটেৰিয়াটো নাই
bacteria to prokaryote হয় তাত mitochondria নাই so যোনটো enfoldings mesosomes enfolding process হৈছিল না য'ত respiration হৈছিল ATP synthesis হৈছিল সেইটো plasma membrane or enfolding
okay ma'am
right
okay
কাৰণ single cell bacteria কি prokaryote single cell right so তাৰে cell wall খন থাকিব plasma membrane খনে enfolding form কৰিব and that would be called as a mesosome efficient function that it will help the cell to conduct respiration efficiently or the area where respiration takes place in case of a prokaryote
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Is this over?
Yes, ma'am.
গোটেইখন rub কৰো ন পাৰিম ন
Yes.
Ma'am,
okay হা
ma'am, in case of eukaryotes, plasma
Ah.
membrane enfoldings নাথাকে ন?
না কাৰণ তাত ইনফোল্ডিংছটো কিহৰ কাৰণে বনাইছে কাৰণ তাতে তোমাৰ সাৰ্ফেচ এৰিয়াটো ইনক্ৰিজ কৰিব লাগে তাত তুমি এটিপি সিনথেসাইজ কৰিব লাগে প্ৰোক্যাৰিওটৰটো নিজৰ নিজৰ জেগা আছে ন ডিফাৰেন্ট ডিফাৰেন্ট ফাংচনছ সেইকাৰণে প্লাজমা মেমব্ৰেনখনৰ ইনফোল্ডিংছ দৰকাৰ নাই তাতে as far as the structure of the plasma membrane is concerned I think we have discussed that fluid mosaic model how does it look like
Yes, ma'am.
okay and a point লিখা Christy, I think now we understand. I'm talking about the infoldings, right? So infoldings বিলাকক কি বুলি কয়? Christy কোনে ফৰ্ম কৰে? Inner membrane of mitochondria. কি থাকিব? Is studded. Studded মানে আছে. Numerous কি থাকিব? Elementary particles. Right? Elementary particles বিলাকক আমি কি বুলি কওঁ? Either they are called as elementary particles or F4, F1 particle, or they are also called as Fernandez-Moran particles because they were the one to discover it. Okay. As far as this elementary or F4, F1 particle is concerned, how does it look like? ATP is enzyme to code form. Actually, no, we say it as a stop. Fernandez-Moran particle টো এইকেইটা word মনত ৰাখিব দেই Next, point number 2. certain points regarding mitochondria, right? We have talked about the cristae, we have talked about the FOF1 particle code thakibo, inner membrane thakibo, but cristae thakibo, right? Generally, we are concerned with the enzyme that is present in the head part, that is the ATPase enzyme responsible for the formation of ATP. Second point about mitochondria is they are duplicating বা self-duplicating organelles, ঠিক আছে? And they cannot be formed de novo. De novo জানো no? এই টার্মটো জানো নে নাজানো?
No, ma'am. First one.
De novo নাই শুনা, শুনিছা আগতে পাহৰিছা? Newly, right? All of a sudden এটা cellত mitochondria এটা all of a sudden form কৰিব নোৱাৰে। এটা mitochondria divide কৰি পেলাইহে নতুন mitochondria এটা form কৰিব। যেনেকে আমি cell theory আমি cellৰ কথা কৈছো ন, cell কি হয়? এটা cellৰ পৰা pre-existing cellৰ পৰাই হ'ব লাগিব, নতুনকে all of a sudden cell হ'ব নোৱাৰে। ঠিক তেনেকে in case of these organelle also they cannot be formed de novo. Eta mitochondria থাকিব that will divide and form another mitochondria, right? যোনটো existing আছিলে সেই existing টোৱে divide কৰিব।
Ma'am, second point to one ma'am.
Okay. লিখি লো, explain. Second point to whole লিখে। Self-duplicating cell organelles we understand now, right? So pre-existing or form korbo, that is what is called as self-duplicate. Next we have a sentence that goes in mitochondria. They are called as endosymbionts of bacteria. তার মানে কি? Can I rub this point? Etu?
Yes.
Okay. Have you heard this term before? Endosymbionts of bacteria? Okay. It is believed that mitochondria has its origin from bacteria. So if you're talking about evolution point of view, no? So mitochondria has different features of bacterial cell. So ultimately, the scientists have said a statement that mitochondria are believed to be endosymbionts of bacteria because of the similarity both of them have. Right? Mitochondria bacteria, so they are in a belief that the mitochondria has originated from that bacterial or that prokaryotic cell, and so it is the word called as endosymbionts of bacteria. Eta kolei to nohobo no, ki features ase are কি থাকিব কোৱাচোন? দুটাটো আমি already কলো, something about the ribosomes, yeah. কাম করো। Porine particles. Heard this word before? Yes or no? Obviously, I only have explained. Porine মনত আছে নে নাই? কোনটো চ্যাপ্টার পড়িছিলা? নে পাহৰি গলো
photosynthesis
Mhm.
মনত আছে
transport
বস্তুটো
in plants,
oh yes ma'am
right? What is a porine? A large protein pore, right? That is called as a porine. So porine
Yes,
code
ma'am.
is a bacterial porine spot dekha paise in case of mitochondrial membrane. Also mitochondrial membrane, but porine thake ta mane huge protein pores are called as porines. Through the porines ki hoy transportation hoy. Remember something called as apoplast and symplast,
yes ma'am
right? So this is a portion we have discussed in the chapter called as transport in plants.
ma'am aquaporins to ki special type asil no ma'am ki
Aquaporine are the protein pores অকল পানী পাছ কৰিব, especially water.
yes ma'am
So they are called as water porins. So because of these similarities, we use the word that mitochondria are considered as endosymbionts of bacteria. So they have a relation to the bacteria, and thus we can say that maybe they are, as far as the origin is concerned, maybe they are related. Next is they are semi-autonomous cell organelle. Our semi-autonomous cell organelle কিহৰ কাৰণে কয়? What is the meaning of semi-autonomous? That they are, no doubt they are independent, they have their own DNA, right? But even after that, they are dependent on the nucleus and cytoplasm for the raw materials, right? আৰু সেই কাৰণে যিহেতু nucleus are dependent, so tahate independent are dependent, সেইকাৰণে তাহাতক আমি কি বুলি কৈছো semi-autonomous cell organelle. Clear? So these are the points about mitochondria that we have to talk about. First আমি কি কৰিলো, we have talked about Christy. Second about FO1 particle কথা কলো no. Next is we have talked about endosymbionts, we have talked about semi-autonomous cell organelle. Next is the, sorry, এইখিনি হ'ল নে?
Yes.
ma'am maths class to ase ma'am saita pra
Okay. Okay, then I think this is all for today, right? Since you have another class, few points about mitochondria is left behind. Few points somewhere, exactly 1 point that we have to discuss functions of mitochondria, right? So this is a portion that we are going to do it in the next class. Thank you.